Here's how I made my chaps for my Cowboy Vi cosplay. First of all, I just took a big pair of pants I had and used that to size out how big I wanted my chaps to be, and I cut that out. I should have left a little bit more space, but it's okay. They turned out fine in the end because it was a really big pair of pants. Then I took my second piece of leather, which is in a darker color, and I'm putting it on the back and tracing it out at the thighs, the upper thighs, so that I can still move around and not have it attached all the way down my leg. That way the chaps can still move around and have some fluid motion to them. At this stage, if you can, I would consider taking more of that light brown fabric and just covering the back, because the back can be shown a little bit when I move, and I don't like all that gray fabric being shown. You can see where I'm trying to cover it up right here. But that dark brown fabric is just supposed to be in a curved motion, so that way it allows you to bend your leg. I'm figuring this out as I go. I don't think I've ever even touched a pair of chaps. My girlfriend, though, knows a lot more than I do, so I've been asking her opinion. These light brown strips that I'm attaching right here are attaching a little early because I'm going to take these pieces of leather and cut them into fringe and attach that first, and then put the light brown over that. Then I'm going to sew all the way down that leg and be very careful because the leather is really, really thick, and I don't want any of the fringe to get caught in it. Then I'm going to take that strip of light leather and fold it over so that I can do a flattening line all the way down, which is where you're just going to sew a line as close to the edge as you can so that the fold over piece does not stick out. It actually stays flat. Then I have to hem it, so I'm going to do that by taking the end of the pants and folding it over once, because I don't want it to be too thick when I have to hem the other side of the pants leg. So I'm going to do that before I fold it over a second time and make a clean hem edge. So I'm going to sew all the way down the other side of the pants leg, just as thinly as I can, and then I'm going to fold that bottom over one more time to clean up that edge. I also have to hem the round part of the crotch area, so I'm doing that too, and in order to do it in a round edge, I've cut little lines in the round part. Now I'm just sizing it to my leg. It is a little bit long.